In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Themes app. Following that, click on Themes at the bottom left corner and select one of those options: Featured, Categories, or All. Then look for the perfect theme for you. When you find it, select Download at the bottom and then click on Custom on the left. Now you can exclude some of those options if you, for example, don't want to change your wallpaper, icons, color, or lock screen wallpaper. If you don't want to do that, you can also tap on Apply All on the right. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to the default theme, click on Theme app again, select Me at the bottom right corner and tap on My Themes. Then tap on Default or Classic one and hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!